Hey guys, so Monday has rolled back around, so it's my day on the 7 Beauty Gurus, and this week's challenge is to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. If you don't know what the 5-minute makeup challenge is, it's where you attempt to do your daily makeup routine in under 5 minutes. So it shouldn't be too hard for me because I really don't do that much stuff to myself. I have a little timer on my phone right here, so I'm going to go ahead and 3, 2, 1. That didn't work. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Okay. Alright, so just walk you through this. I'm going to put some concealer on, and I do this pretty much every single day because, you know, gotta conceal those under eye circles. I don't worry too much about, like, pimples and stuff. It's just under my eyes. It's where the problems are. Sorry if you hear the banging around. Katie is messing around in a closet. Concealer is done. We're at 38 seconds. Alright, now I'm going to put on my Maybelline New York Dream Fresh BB Cream. Shake that up. Alright. That's really cold. Alright. We don't use brushes here. No. My eyes are what's going to take the longest, so just trying to speed through this. Alright, does that look good? I don't know. And then a little bit of powder. Where did my powder go? Okay, we're just going to skip powder because I don't even know where it is. Okay, now I guess we're going to go on to eyes, and we have 1 minute, and we're at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so what I usually do, just for quick appliance, I don't know, I usually just put the Big Bounce Shadow from MAC on, and this is in Trophy, and it looks like this. It's just like a champagne color, and it's actually kind of drying up, but I still use it because I'm a daredevil like that. And just, I don't know, if you're in a hurry, it's really good for that because it's just like you put it on your finger and then put it on your eye and then you're done and it looks nice. So yeah. Okay, now this is the part that's going to take the longest, and that's my liquid liner. And I don't have a mirror, so this could be a catastrophe. So I'll just use my iPod screen as a mirror. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, let's try to balance this. I am so wasting time right now. This is cute. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this. Alright, nope, stay there. Alright, let's do this. You guys can kind of see. Alright. I put liquid eyeliner on like every single day. Sorry guys, my camera stopped recording. Okay, restarting that thing. Okay. I don't even have a proper mirror, so this is probably not looking good. Alright, we're at 3 minutes. I can never, oh crap. Do you see what I did there? Oh well. Alright, not going in for the wing. I can never do my left eye as good as my right eye, so this is just gonna look fabulous. I think I need more eyeliner. Oh, it's not looking too bad. Oh gosh, this one's way thicker than this one. Oh well, we don't have time to fix it. Okay, now then going in with this little pencil liner, I'm just gonna go in. Ow! Just be careful. palette really hurt too. I need to sharpen that. Okay, now I have this little like mascara thing that I got at IMATS that I'm kind of obsessed with. I need to get the full size. That's what I'm using. It's called Grande Lash. You guys should check it out. Pretty sure I just got it on the freaking top of my eye too. Alright. And then, ooh, 15 seconds left. Then I usually put a lip color on, and this is Color Whisper by Maybelline, and it is in Who Wore It Redder. And I don't really put it on like full power, I just kind of like dab it on. Just to give my face a little bit of color, and we're done. Okay, stop. Okay, so 5 minutes and 3 seconds. We're still good, right? Right? Yeah, we're good. So, yeah, I did it in 5 minutes and 3 seconds. That's like the fastest I've ever done my makeup. I thought it would go a lot better than it did, but it actually didn't go that bad. This eye sucks, but we're not even going to pay attention to this eye. Yeah, that was my 5-minute makeup challenge. It was quite interesting. I feel bad because that's like the end of the video. If you want to catch up with me or keep up with me, I don't know, just go follow me on Twitter. Twitter's like the #1 place, and then Instagram, and then my YouTube channel, obviously. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!